In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bitcoin wallet address on your phone so you can receive BTC safely. Start by installing a trusted wallet app from your official app store. Many people use options like Trust Wallet, but whichever you choose, only download the verified publisher to avoid fake copies. Open the wallet and create a new wallet, set a strong passcode, and enable biometric lock if it's available. The most important step is backing up your recovery phrase. This is the master key to your funds, so write it down offline and store it somewhere secure, never in screenshots or messages, and never share it with anyone. Once backup is done, tap Receive, select Bitcoin, and the app will generate your BTC receive address along with a QR code. You can copy the address and share it with the sender, or let them scan the QR code. Before using it for a large payment, it's smart to receive a small test amount first and confirm it arrives. Subscribe for more simple crypto tutorials that keep your funds safer.